Guys, I have a very exciting surprise. It was a big surprise to me as well. I had put something on my wish list, and Thursday or Friday, it was dropped off in my house. I did not know it was coming. I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. Look at this beautiful gift bag. And a beautiful note from our dearest Raven saying happy early birthday. And thank you so much, Raven. Guys, this is something that I really need. I'm super excited. Got a new one of these. So I really love this mic, but upon doing some recording, yeah, right, I know. Upon doing some recording multiple times now, it's come to my attention that this mic has some, I'm destroying this box. This mic has some background noise in it. And I knew this, but I knew it definitively after I swapped it out with another mic and the signal was extremely clean. So I put this on my wish list and pretty quickly was purchased by our dearest friend Raven. Look at that. It comes with the shock mount. I don't know if it comes with the pop filter. I don't think it does. It does. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if I'm gonna set up the shock mount today. It depends on how easily it works. But look at this. It's like a freaking IKEA. So this has. Thank you so much, Raven. I just want to publicly thank you. Very cool. And here is, man, this thing's heavy. Oh, and it comes with a cable. So this is like a box of nothing for filler, I think. Look, it's some very expensive Rode Air. But we also have a cable here. Oh, look! It comes with a sticker, too. How about that? And a blue ring. I don't know what that is. I think it goes somewhere. I think I might wait to swap out the cable because it's all plugged in already. But what I was going to do was show you guys all the pieces. I know, 6 meters. That's great. That's gonna reach all the way around behind my desk and back around to my mixer very nicely. That's a deluxe cable. When it said 6, when I saw the letter 6, I was like, oh, like 6 feet? That's not very, but no, 6 meters. So that's like 18, 19 feet. Look at this, guys. It comes with all these goodies. This is so when you like breathe into it, it blocks. See? It like blocks the pop. It's a pop filter. It blocks like breath noises and stuff. And that, I think it might hook onto this. But this is called a shock mount. It's got these stringy things here. And you mount it. Now for me, the way I have my thing mounted, I'm not sure that I need that for this setup, but I might try it anyway. But usually you put it up, you know, like right side up. This is upside down. So I might look at doing that later. But what I do want to do is, let's see how this matches the room. Double boxed, that's nice. Comes with its own case or bag. Dust cover. I feel like I'm doing an ad, but really I'm just so excited about that. Hi, Anthony Castillo. Look at this great gift that I got from Raven. Oh my gosh, guys. It's even got a Rode silica packet. It matches the room really well. Doesn't it? It's like the right color of red. I wasn't quite sure because you guys know there's a lot of different colors of red. But this is amazing. It's like candy apple freaking red. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm going to try to replace and swap this out. And I want to hear, I want to hear if there's difference. I'm gonna turn this fan off for a minute because it makes noise. So, here's how this one sounds. I'm going to mute, I'm going to turn off this mic for a minute so I can switch it out without any popping noises. I think they're almost the exactly same size, Al, but we'll measure. Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. Test, test, check, check, check. I think that sounds cleaner. Very nice. I know we do need a lean in sound. We're gonna do some ASMR. ASMR sounds. Oh, is there something in here? So I don't know if you guys saw, but doesn't that look hot with the red? Oh my God, I love it. It's hot. They're getting free advertisement. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw, but there's a little ring that goes around the top of this and it's holding it onto here. So I had to use it for this because I don't think this has the same one because it comes with this fancier thing. So I may look at adding that in, but I think that looks fine too. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this in here for now. I have a case for this, but I'll put it away later. Thanks again, Raven. Thank you to everyone in the community for just being cool and being excited. And I think I need to turn this just a tiny bit. Yeah. Okay. We can play with the new mic today. How exciting. I think I need to move my camera a little this way, so we get to see a little more of it, because when I turn on our big new thing, it covers it up kind of. But anyway, let's see what's in the queue already. Did I leave that in? No, Resculer put that there. All right. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Thank you to our dear Raven, and thanks everybody for being here. Let's do some music. And it's not even birthday month yet. But what a great surprise and a great gift. I'm really pleasantly surprised at how nicely the reds match as well. Hi, Mom. Get celebrated, says King Dambreaker. Yeah, we should give Raven a prior request for this awesome contribution to the channel. And Mike, you know, I think my old one only has one. There's no switch on it. I think it's mostly a frontal. It has a pretty wide field though, because I usually don't go straight onto it because it's a little crisp, but I'm going at like a 45-degree angle, and that works really well. Yeah, so I feel like this mic is like, just imagine now when people come, I mean, let's say a word of thanks to the old Rode mic for its years of faithful service, but also thank you, Lisa. What's the different specs? I haven't looked specifically, but from what I read, they're pretty similar, except that this one is new and has a much cleaner signal. There's less background noise, and of course it's gorgeous. Other than that, I think it's the exact same model, just about 25 years newer. So thank you. Pinkish Floyd is a treasure. Thank you, King Dambreaker. Yeah, it sounds really good. It's very crisp, like we said. These have a great detail, which I like. It can be a little scary. It's very, it picks up all flaws, but it also picks up all those little details you want. So I think for something like what I'm doing. Oh, and you're gonna get one too, Raven. All right, guys, we're gonna do some Springsteen. On fire, like this hype train, like this microphone. How about it, guys? What a day. Happy Saturday, everyone. Everybody's Oh, that's a good idea, Mom. I'm gonna write that. I'm gonna put that down to shop for headphones. Thank you. Bok Choy! Whoa! 10 gift subs! Thank you so much! All of y'all make sure you get a song request in there if you'd like. Let's get some Uber verb for Bruce. Love that song, Rescular. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go away and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I can't do? Oh no, I can take you high. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a high train running through the middle of my head. Only you can cool my desire. Oh, chat's on fire. Hey, Brenda. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you can cool my desire. Oh, I'm on fire. That was a nice thunder to accentuate our song, wasn't it?